Hello and welcome back guys, I'm Boom and this video is going to be on JavaScript form validation. So basically we are going to create this HTML registration form and we are going to validate it using JavaScript before submission. So this series will be like an introduction to JavaScript and it will show you a particular use case of JavaScript. Now for the prerequisites. All you need to know before starting this series is a little bit about HTML, so a little bit about tags and attributes, and that would be enough. You don't need to know about all the tags and attributes. I will explain whatever I use in this series. The second requirement is that you know a little bit about programming, so just to the extent that you know what a variable is, and that would be enough. You don't need to know anything about JavaScript. I will explain JavaScript right from the basics. Now the source code is going to be available here, so you can go here and download this as zip and you'll have the source code with you. Now you don't have to go through the source code, it's just for reference. So if you face some difficulties, you can refer this and hopefully it will solve your problem. And that is it for the video. I'll see you guys in the very next one where we are going to create this HTML form. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.